is some sablée dough that Sarah and I rolled out. It's kind of like a shortbread sugar cookie. We rolled it out, put it in the refrigerator, and now we're gonna place it on here and sprinkle this sugar right across, and then simply press it right into the sugar. And we're gonna keep doing this until it's nice and uniformly covered. I'm gonna press it into it a bit as well. Now that the sugar has been pressed in uniformly, we're going to cut them into these little rounds. The first one is going to have a bit of an indentation, but here they are, and we'll place them on our cookie sheet. Our sugar cookies are going to go in the refrigerator for a few minutes and then in the oven. We already put one pan inside, and here is the second one, and now we're going to let the oven do its magic. Let's quickly peek inside the oven chamber, which is right below the cooking chamber, and you can see there is a nice steady fire going, just enough for our cookies. Our cookies are coming out, and look at here how beautiful they are. You guys, Sarah and I can barely wait to try these. Look at these beautiful little crystals all around. The sugar makes them look so nice. I think we're gonna pour a glass of milk and then finally get to taste one. Buon appetito! So good.